Xorkee registration on Ubuntu. Xorkee for Ubuntu can be installed on Ubuntu systems from version 16 or above. To download Xorkee, visit odysseytech.com and go to the Downloads page. You will see a list of Xorkee applications. Click on the download button of Xorkee for Ubuntu. You will see a pop-up to save the installer file. Select Save File and click OK. The installer gets saved in your Downloads directory. The Xorkee installer is a zip file. Right-click on it and select Extract here in the context menu. The installer will be extracted. Next, double-click on it to start the installation. The installation wizard appears. The checkbox for the software license agreement will automatically be selected. Click the link to view the agreement. Click Install. You will be asked to authenticate by entering the superuser password. This is for syncing the versions of the locally installed OS components with those in the Ubuntu repository. You will be again asked to authenticate by entering the superuser password for downloading and installing the dependencies from the Ubuntu repository for the Xorkee application. Once the installation is complete, you will see the installation successful message and the Xorkee icon will appear in the menu bar. You can now connect your DSC token to your Ubuntu machine. The Xorkee registration screen will appear. It will display the digital certificate along with the holder's name, the issuer's name, and the certificate expiry. Enter your desired Xorkee handle. This handle is a string used for identifying the user. It can contain letters, numbers, and some special characters like underscore, @ dot, and hyphen. If your token has multiple certificates, choose the one you intend to use and click Register. Enter your token password and click OK. Your DSC token is now registered with Xorkee.